So hello friends, this is SriRam Shastri, and in this video I am just going to show you how to draw the diagrams related to biology. So here in this particular video I am going to draw a human reproductive system, that is male reproductive system. So first you have to draw the urinary bladder. Okay, then you can slightly draw the structure of seminiferous tubules, sorry, not seminiferous tubule, this is seminal vesicles. So seminal vesicle glands, above the seminal vesicle glands runs the what you call as ureters. Okay, so these are the ducts of excretory system. So from below this also you can take a small outline, and this small outline you can continue this like this. Here also you can take a small outline, and with this small outline you can continue over here. Above this you can draw the duct of seminal vesicle gland. Okay, so the ducts continue below with a spermatic cord forming the what you call as vasa deferens. It connects to vasa deferens. From vasa deferens they are connected to the testis. So now in this one side I am going to draw a normal testis. This is epididymis, and it is connected to the vasa deferens like this, and over this there is a capsulic layer. This is the spermatic cord. Now you can continue this. Okay, this continues here as the ejaculatory duct. Surrounding the ejaculatory duct are the prostate glands. Prostate glands are unpaired glands in male. The same structure, the urethra continues. This urethra continues into the penis. Okay, this urethra continues into the penis. Here it forms a notch at the glans region and forms the glans penis like this. Okay, so here behind this there are the tissues, corpus cavernosum and corpus spongiosum inside it. Okay, so this is connected to the structures like this, ligaments, and above this you have a layer of skin. This layer of skin is the foreskin, or what you call as the even scrotal sac. It is connected to scrotal sac also, right? So this particular skin layer is nothing but the what you call as foreskin present on the penis. This is the second what you call as testis. We can show the cross section of the second testis here slightly. You can show the testicular lobules, half testis cut into section like this, right? Now you can continue this diagram. Here you can draw the seminiferous tubules. From this seminiferous tubules, the connective tissue in between with the dotted line, you can draw it like this. Collection of seminiferous tubules, the vasa efferentia, and formation of the epididymis. It forms the epididymis. Here this is the vasa deferens. Now this vasa deferens is curled upon and is connected to this. Okay, like this forms the capsule, right? Now you can label it very clearly. So this is the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Okay, these are seminal vesicles. Okay, this is the testis. This is vasa deferens, right? Now this gland you can label it as prostate gland, right? This region you can label it as the what you call as ejaculatory duct. Okay, so this is here one more gland you can draw, that is bulbourethral gland, which I missed it. You can write. So this is the bulbourethral gland, or also called as Cowper's gland. Okay, this region is epididymis. This is the glans penis. This is the foreskin, right? This is the urethra, you can label it. Okay, the outer layer you can label it as scrotum or scrotal sac. Okay, these are the testicular lobules. Okay, testicular lobules. This is rete testis. Okay, this is vasa efferentia, right? So this completes the reproductive structure of male, or you can write the heading also, male reproductive system. Okay, so you can write it human male reproductive system also. Clear? So this completes this video. I will see you in the next video with another diagram. Thank you.